Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, but my friends call me Min. If you're not new here, thanks for joining. So I apologize. I know I have been gone for, I don't know, probably almost a month. That's crazy. I apologize. I might seem a little rusty getting back into the swing of things here. I was going on little vacations with my husband and my kids. We did a bunch of camping while the weather was nice and before school goes back in. And yeah, I've been gone, so I apologize, but I'm back and I have a super fun video to share with you guys today. I was contacted by a Amazon retailer called Brelax, and they wanted to send me over one of their Sonic facial cleanser brushes, and they also sent me not one, but two. So one of these, one of you will be able to win. I'm so excited to, after being gone for so long, to be able to come back and do this giveaway for you guys. I think it's just the best way to pop back into the YouTube world here. So this one is all in its plastic packaging, as you can see. And this one, I have taken the plastic off. I'm going to open this one up with you guys, and we're gonna kind of go over what all is involved with this bad boy. This one feels really luxurious. I'm so excited to let one of you have it. So let's hop right into opening this bad boy up. Alright, so it comes in actually a really nice white box. It has the picture of it on the front, and when you flip it around, it just has all the little info of all the electronic stuff. What is it? IPX7 waterproof, magnetic USB charging. It's got 3 speed settings, sonic vibration, 1-minute smart timer. And I think with the 1-minute smart timer, it also goes in like 20-second intervals. So it tells you like you're on your cheek after 20 seconds. It'll tell you move to your forehead, your nose, your chin, right? So that's kind of cool. And it has a 500 mAh lithium battery. I don't really know the technical terms of all these things, but it sounds good. So once you pull the box off, it does kind of look like this. You have the charger here. It comes wired up here. Well, let's take that off. So with this, it is magnetic. So I'm assuming this little curved part will sit somewhere on the brush. It's magnetic, so it should stick to it. And then for the charging end, it just has a normal USB, plug it into any charger, plug it into the wall, your computer, whatever you want to charge it with. It does come with the manual. Comes in several different languages, so wherever you're from, you'll be able to read this. It's got every language in there. Okay, it does come with a spare brush. This one looks a little different, as it is pretty much all green with a little bit of white. I don't really feel a difference from the one that's on the brush on my hand, but. And this is the stand, so the brush will sit in there. You can put this spare head right onto the side. And that comes with another one with black going around with white. So, I don't know, they all feel really soft to me. The bristles on the one with the black are a bit shorter than the other two. So I'm assuming the black one is going to be more of a denser, like a deep cleansing kind of head brush. That's just my thoughts, I don't know. All right, and then this. This is the actual cleansing brush. It looks super sleek. I love the light turquoisey blue color that it comes in. You can see it's got different buttons. The head, turn the plastic piece off. This one is white with a blue ring with white around it. Again, it is super soft. Okay, these buttons. You have a power button right here. You turn it on, and I don't know if my camera's gonna pick up the color, but the lights, there's lights around these buttons, and they're blue right now. If I push this button here, it turns to a darker blue, and it's medium speed. If I push it again, it turns to red, and it goes on the highest speed. Now from there, you have a turbo and a gentle. There's a little T right here, and there's a little G right here. If I push turbo, it's just going to make it go that much more. If I push the gentle, it's going to decrease the vibrations a bit. This is on the lowest setting. So again, turbo, it just kind of makes it go a little bit more, and then gentle makes it go a little less. And it just shut off on its own. Your 1 minute is up. Also, I wanted to point out, when I start it, after 20 seconds, it will beep. That beep there indicates that it's time to move to the next section of your face. All right, so excited for this. I was needing a new face washer, and the bristles on this feel so soft, so amazing. And one of you is gonna get the chance to have this bad boy shipped right to your door. Now, in order to be a part of this giveaway, the rules are very, very simple. All you need to do is first like this video, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss the video to see if you won or not, because that's kind of important, right? And the very last thing I want you to do is to comment down in the comment section below what your most memorable part of this crazy summer has been. You do those things, you can automatically be entered into this giveaway. And if you guys want to earn an extra entry into this giveaway, all you gotta do is head over to Instagram and follow me there at minsbeauty86. Subscribe to me there, like a couple photos, and you'll get another entry into this. And I would like to give a huge thank you to Brelax again for sending not only one, but 2 of these over for me. That was so nice of them. And to all of you, good luck. This is open internationally, so anyone can be entered. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.